Awning windows are a popular choice for Eagle homeowners thanks to their sleek design, excellent ventilation, and ability to keep out rain while allowing fresh air to circulate. Hinged at the top and opening outward, these windows are especially practical in kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. However, like any home feature, awning windows can develop issues over time if not properly maintained. Understanding the most common awning window problems, and how to prevent them, can help Eagle homeowners protect their investment and ensure long-term performance. Difficulty opening or closing. One of the most common issues with awning windows is difficulty in operation. Over time, dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate in the hinges or crank mechanism, causing the window to stick or resist movement. In Eagle's climate, seasonal temperature changes may also cause slight expansion or contraction of materials, affecting functionality. Prevention tips. Clean the window hardware and hinges regularly to remove debris. Lubricate moving parts with a silicone-based lubricant once or twice a year. Avoid forcing the window open or closed if resistance is felt. This can damage the mechanism. Routine maintenance helps ensure smooth operation and extends the lifespan of your awning windows. Air leaks and drafts. Although awning windows are designed to seal tightly when closed, worn weather stripping or improper installation can lead to air leaks. In Eagle's cold winters and warm summers, drafts can impact indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Prevention tips. Inspect weather stripping annually for cracks or wear and replace it as needed. Check for gaps around the window frame and reseal with exterior-grade caulk if necessary. Ensure the window closes fully and locks securely to maintain a tight seal. Maintaining airtight seals helps reduce energy costs and keeps your home comfortable year-round. Water intrusion. Awning windows are known for their ability to provide ventilation even during rain. However, poor installation or damaged seals can allow water to seep into the frame or surrounding wall. In Eagle's occasional heavy rain and snowmelt, moisture intrusion can lead to mold, mildew, or structural damage. Prevention tips. Regularly inspect exterior seals and flashing for signs of deterioration. Ensure proper drainage channels are clear and functioning correctly. Schedule professional inspections if you notice moisture buildup or water stains around the window. Proper installation and regular maintenance are key to preventing water-related issues. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fogging or condensation between the panes of your awning window, it may indicate a failed seal in the insulated glass unit. This reduces energy efficiency and affects visibility. Prevention tips. Monitor windows for persistent condensation and address issues promptly. Maintain proper indoor humidity levels to reduce strain on window seals. Replace damaged insulated glass units to restore performance and clarity. Addressing seal failures early helps maintain insulation and prevents further deterioration. Hardware wear and tear. The crank and hinge components of awning windows are essential for proper operation. Over time, these parts can wear down due to frequent use or exposure to weather conditions. Prevention tips. Perform routine inspections to identify loose or worn hardware. Tighten screws and replace damaged components as needed. Choose high-quality replacement parts designed for durability and corrosion resistance. Well-maintained hardware ensures your windows remain functional and secure. Improper installation. Many awning window problems stem from improper installation. If the window is not level, sealed correctly, or securely anchored, issues such as drafts, water intrusion, and operational difficulties can occur. Prevention tips. Work with experienced professionals for installation and replacement projects. Ensure proper insulation, flashing, and sealing during installation. Verify that the window operates smoothly and aligns correctly after installation. Professional installation provides a solid foundation for long-term performance and reliability. Protecting your investment in Eagle awning windows offer excellent ventilation, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal for Eagle homes. By understanding common issues and taking proactive steps to prevent them, homeowners can enjoy these benefits for years to come. Regular maintenance, timely repairs, and professional installation all contribute to the durability and performance of your awning windows. With proper care, they will continue to enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and value, no matter the season.